This video is brought to you by Yamalube engine oils, lubricants, and care products. No matter what motorsports vehicle you have, Yamalube is behind every reliable engine, so trust Yamalube for incredible performance every time. Look for the full line of Yamalube Care and Maintenance products at your nearest Yamaha dealer.
Gate drop up into turn number one. Who's it going to be? Star Yamaha's Justin Cooper. This time Jeremy Martin gets a good start. Justin Cooper touches down. Here comes Martin. Martin's going to stay on the pipe as hard as he has been all day long. And we look back at the number 14 machine. He's up into fifth, couple seconds back of Hunter Lawrence. So Dylan Ferrandis, as this race wears on, under 7 minutes to go. I'll tell you who took the biggest cut out of the lead the last lap was Justin Cooper. 2 seconds a lap quicker. It'll be a 19-point advantage, and he looks over to the crew. Gives them the head bob, the knowing look that says, I'm back, boys. Get the champagne ready. There's the fist pump. Down on the line, the riders know that a whole shot here is going to be paramount in finishing on the podium. You can start to see the riders hunker down over the front fender. Come on, Colorado, make some noise for the boys! Tough break for Fast Freddie Noren. It's going to be Cianciarulo, Sexton. Osborne gets a good start. Barsha and Baggett's out there. Eli Tomac in a good spot as well.
Cianciarulo taking a look over his shoulder right now. He knows exactly who's behind him. He knows it's the red plate on that Husqvarna. And there's still plenty of time with 4 minutes and 2 laps to make something happen for the number 16 machine.
Crowd are waving the towels. Here's your first moto winner, Adam Cianciarulo.
Taking a look back to see exactly how far the training partner was.
Eli Tomac, who calls this, stayed home. And right now he's coming up the inside of him. He's putting pressure on him. Nothing, no transgressions, if you will, just pure speed right now. Cortez, Colorado brings home the win here. How about making some noise for Eli Tomac?